What is
What's
up?
up, YouTube?
Mr. King coming at you live. So what we're doing today is going over the first 3 lessons. Shout out to my roommate Darian. He's the honors bio teacher at Stag for the guest appearance during the intro. Yep. And so we're gonna jump right into it. Okay. Lesson number 1. I give you a learning tracker. So what this one is, I just want to see what you knew. So these 2 girls, they're actually twins, but as you can tell, they have way different skin color. So I want you to guess why. After seeing the photo, how is it possible the twins have such different skin color? You could say, I got this a lot last year, maybe the mom was cheating. Maybe the mom has 2 different suitors / lovers / moopies, whatever you say, but they probably have different dads. Or you could say, but since they're twins, like it's probably not likely they're different dads, but it could be. Or you could say, maybe they're not twins, or maybe genetics are crazy and there's a lot of variation in this world, which we know because there's different skin colors all around the world. Cool. So that was lesson 1. We'll get to the middle one after lesson 5. So I just posted lesson 5 actually, so I'll put the learning tracker back on for Monday. Cool. After lesson 1, the learning tracker, you read this article. How are these twin sisters so different? So this is when they grew up. This one looks like she could be albino, but I'm not sure. She doesn't have the red eyes, but maybe. So you read this article, and what I was looking for is essentially for you to answer the questions. Explain how identical and fraternal twins development are different. So identical twins come from the same egg. Both girls get genes from their mom and dad like everyone else. And they're genetically different because they are fraternal twins, not identical. That's really important. If they were identical twins, there's no way they can have different skin color. Unless one of them had. No way. I just answered number 3. How's DNA involved? DNA determines your genes. Your genes are made of DNA, and your genes determine your traits or what you look like. Okay. Yep. When you're done, I posted a learning log. Just tell me what you learned. That was Monday. Number 2 is a little bit more tricky. It was another boring article. The most important thing is this table. You need to memorize this. Homozygous, 2 of the same allele. So how I think about it, if you see a capital and another capital, homozygous. 2 lowercase, homozygous. Another way I think about it, homo means same. So like, for example, I know this may not be the most politically correct way, but homosexual means you like someone of the same sex as you. And heterosexual means you like someone of a different sex or gender. So down below, I define the key vocab. So homozygous, homo means same, so the same genes. 2 capital A's, 2 lowercase a's, any 2 letters are the same. Heterozygous means different. Heterosexual, you like a different gender. So 2 different letters, so capital A, lowercase a, capital T, lowercase t. Those are all heterozygous. That's really important. Genotype, same thing as your genetics. Phenotype, phen is for physical, so it's how you look. Alleles is a version of a gene. This one can be a little tricky. An allele is basically blue eyes versus green eyes versus red eyes. And a trait is how you look. Moving on, here are the answers. So if something is uppercase, it's going to be dominant. If something's lowercase, it's going to be recessive. If it's if anything ever has a capital letter, it's going to be dominant. If it's both lowercase, then it's going to be recessive. 1 capital, 1 lowercase, still going to be dominant. Okay, I'm going to see you for part 2.